That's a big branch. It's blocking the whole road. You get out of here. You can't lift that up and move it. That's one of its main trunks right there. Looks like it's rotted though, sort of. Yeah, it's kind of rotted on this. But that's thick. That's like a 1.5 feet thick. Yeah, I'm taking a chance. Yeah, so you can see where the only thing holding it was that part, that small part, that fresh part. This whole freaking tree. These look kind of rotten too. Now see, it's icy over here. The street. See that? Those weren't very healthy trees to begin with. They just snapped off. I think our whole community here gets our power from 10th Street over there, way over there, and it comes in along the main street there, Thousand Oaks Drive. So look at that fucker. Hey, that small branch smashed that mailbox like that. Think what it'd do to your head if it was just something like that fell on your head, or something bigger, man. Dang, it'd knock you out, kill you. Boom. Dead. Yeah, the door down. They might have a problem up here getting out. I don't know. This is what happens. This storm came on, this ice storm started yesterday morning. They said it was going to get cold and it was going to get rainy, so this is expected. And they said it was going to get, it was going to get freezing rain. So we all know what happens when that happens. Yeah, no one's getting out of this. Look at this. This is all these people. Whoa, I almost slipped on that ice. All these people can't go out that way. And this is the only other way they can get out. That's a dead end over there. All these people are stuck right here. All these people. I don't know, you should see what these branches look like. Hell, if I'm moving anything for anybody, shit. It's about 28 degrees out here. I don't have any gloves. I just came out here to document some stuff. Yeah, they're not driving through this, and I don't think I'm going to walk much further. Guy's truck got hit. Looks like this person's got hit. Yeah, they're not going to drive through that. These people are stuck until these can get out, Shoot.